Thinking about making Portugal your new home? Whether it's for work, study, or exploring a relaxed lifestyle, Portugal offers incredible opportunities and a rich cultural heritage. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step visa process to help you move to Portugal. We'll cover visa categories, application steps, and essential tips to make your move seamless. Let's get started. The first step is selecting the visa that matches your purpose of travel. Portugal offers several visa categories tailored to individual needs. I'll break them down for you. Schengen visa for short-term visits or vacations. Student visa for higher education or language courses in Portugal. Work visa for those with a job offer from a Portuguese employer. Entrepreneur or startup visa for launching your business in Portugal. D7 visa, passive income, retirement visa, for retirees or individuals with sufficient passive income. Family reunification visa, for joining relatives or a spouse in Portugal. Now let's explore each visa type to understand its requirements and process in detail. Planning a short trip to explore Portugal's beautiful beaches and historic cities? The Schengen visa is ideal for short-term stays of up to 90 days. To be eligible, you will need a valid passport with at least 3 months validity beyond your intended stay, proof of accommodation, such as hotel bookings or an invitation letter, proof of financial means, around €40 or $42 a day, and travel health insurance with a minimum coverage of €30,000, approximately $31,500. Let's explore the following steps together. First, you need to complete the Schengen visa application form online or at a visa center. Next, submit the required documents, including proof of travel plans and finances. Then, schedule and attend an appointment at a Portuguese embassy or consulate. Finally, provide biometrics and attend an interview if required. Biometrics are measurable physical characteristic or personal behavioral traits used to recognize the identity or verify the claimed identity of an applicant, such as fingerprints. This typically takes about 15 working days. The cost is around €80, approximately $84. Planning to pursue higher education in Portugal? A student visa allows you to stay in Portugal for the duration of your studies. To be eligible, you will need an acceptance letter from a recognized Portuguese institution, proof of sufficient financial resources, around €8,460 or $8,935 annually, and valid health insurance covering your stay. First, you need to apply to a Portuguese university and receive your admission letter. Then, gather required documents, like proof of finances and health insurance. Next, submit your visa application at the Portuguese consulate. And if required, attend an interview at the consulate. This typically takes between 2 to 3 months. The cost is around €90, approximately $94. Have a job offer in Portugal? A work visa allows you to relocate and start working legally. To be eligible, you will need an employment contract or job offer from a Portuguese employer, proof that your employer has completed labor market test requirements, relevant qualifications, and work experience. First, you need to obtain a formal job offer or contract. Next, gather required documents, including proof of qualifications. Then, submit your visa application at the Portuguese embassy. Finally, attend the interview and provide biometrics. This process typically takes about 2 to 3 months. The cost is around €90, approximately $94. Planning to launch a business in Portugal? The startup visa is designed for innovative entrepreneurs. To be eligible, you will need a viable business plan approved by the Portuguese government or a local incubator and proof of sufficient investment funds. An incubator is a program that gives very early-stage companies access to mentorship, investors, and other support to help them get established. Let's explore the following steps together. First, you should submit your business plan for approval. Then, once you are approved, gather additional documents and apply for the startup visa. Finally, attend an interview and provide biometrics. The processing time is approximately 3 months. The cost is around €90, approximately $94. Do you have passive income or plan to retire in Portugal? The D7 visa is perfect for financially self-sufficient individuals. To be eligible, you will need proof of passive income, such as pensions or rental income, meeting the minimum monthly national wage of €760 or $798 a month, and proof of accommodation in Portugal. First, you need to submit your visa application with financial proof and accommodation details. Next, you will attend an interview at the consulate. This typically takes about 2 to 4 months. The cost is around €90, approximately $94. Planning to join family in Portugal? The family reunification visa allows you to live with loved ones in Portugal. To be eligible, you will need proof of relationship, like a marriage or birth certificate, and proof of income and housing provided by the sponsor. First, gather all documents proving your relationship and financial support, and then submit your visa application. Finally, you will attend an interview. This usually takes about 2 to 3 months. The cost is around €90, approximately $94. No matter which visa you're applying for, some documents are essential, like a valid passport, completed visa application form, passport-size photos, proof of financial means, and travel health insurance. Submitting your visa application is an essential step. Here's what you need to do. Prepare your application package by double-checking all documents to ensure they're complete and meet the visa requirements. Make sure to include any visa-specific documents, like proof of admission for a student visa or a business plan for the startup visa. Schedule an appointment at the nearest Portuguese embassy, consulate, or visa application center. Make sure to check online for availability, as slots can fill up quickly. Next, you will need to pay the visa fee. Visa fees vary by type. €80, approximately $84 for Schengen visas, and €90, approximately $94 for long-term visas. Always confirm payment methods with the consulate, as some may accept only cash, while others allow online or card payments. When you attend your appointment, make sure you bring your complete application package, including your passport and any required supporting documents. Come prepared to explain the purpose of your trip and answer any questions. It's tip time. It makes everything much smoother if you organize your documents in the order listed by the consulate for faster processing. Most visa applications will require you to provide biometric data, including fingerprints and a photograph. Here's how it works. At your visa appointment, you'll provide fingerprints and a photo, which will be stored in Portugal's visa system for identification purposes. If it is required, you will attend an interview. For certain visas, like the work visa or D7 visa, an interview may be required. Always be prepared to discuss your plans in Portugal, your financial situation, and how your activities align with your visa type. You'll receive a tracking number or receipt after submitting your application so you can track it. You can use this to check the status of your application online or through their Visa Center's website. After submitting your application, the waiting period begins. Here's what to do while you wait for approval. Typical processing times for Schengen visas are 10 to 15 working days, and long-term visas, like the student visa or D7 visa, are approximately 2 to 4 months. Once your visa is approved, you'll be notified to collect your passport. Verify that the visa details, such as validity dates and entry conditions, are all correct. You can prepare for your upcoming move by researching housing options in cities like Lisbon, Porto, or Faro. Even though English is spoken in most locations, it is smart to learn basic Portuguese phrases to help you settle in faster. We made the video, 50 top conversational phrases to learn in Portuguese, to help you with this. The link to the video is in the description below. Once you have figured everything out, you can book your flight and plan your arrival based on your visa start date. Remember to have all your visa and travel documents organized for any immigration checks. Tip time. Once you arrive in Portugal, register your address at the local Câmara Municipal, which is the city hall, within 90 days if staying long-term. And there you have it. Moving to Portugal is exciting, and by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a smooth transition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you'd like more information on any of the visa categories we covered today, leave a comment below. Wishing you safe travels and a wonderful start to your life in Portugal.